Today we're featuring a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It's got exactly 14,000 miles on it. It's silver ice metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. We'll make our way down the driver's side. Everything's in good shape here. Alright, it is equipped with the rear backup camera. And everything looks solid down the passenger side. Alright, really nice Equinox here. Well maintained on the exterior. It's a 2016 with 14,000 miles. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, we've got the black and gray door panels, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. One second, let me go ahead and take this key out. There we go. Alright, we got the titanium inserts with the black trim cloth. Alright, power driver seat. Cloth on the driver's seat is in great shape. Does come with the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat cloth is also in good shape. Alright, no problems there. It is an automatic. It's got your climate control area here with your heated seats. AM FM radio with your backup camera display, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth. You got your cruise control over here on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got exactly 14,000 miles. Now that we've got it started up, we'll show you your home page here, and you can toggle through the apps. Okay, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panel's in good shape. Back seat cloth looks good. No issues back here. This is a really clean Equinox, guys. It's a 2016. It's only got 14,000 miles on it. I got the nice console that comes down with the cup holders. This power supply here. Let's go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, but this thing is well taken care of on the inside and out. All right, got the nice thick rubber floor mats back here. Okay, carpet looks good. Got your spare tire back here. Subwoofer speaker and another power outlet. But I'll stand to the side. You know, you can really see the depth of just how much space you got back here. All right, very roomy. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 17-inch alloys. All right. Tires are almost brand new. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, let's go ahead and recap. It's a 2016 Chevrolet Equinox LT. It's got exactly 14,000 miles on it. This thing's in great shape inside and out. Definitely come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.